Hi, I'm Ranjan. I head Applied Innovation Exchange Hyderabad. I'm passionate about solving business problems of our client in a very innovative and cost-effective way. Well, the opportunity was huge. There are around 5,000 calls made per day in network rail, and it was Herculean task to have them monitor for compliance with protocols. There are three basically key challenges which I would like to highlight would be communication barriers, poor or lack of communication, environment barriers, background noise etc., and equipment barriers, transmission noise, dropout noise, and network error. Hence, safety critical communication focus on helping workers negotiate hazards in the workplace and reduce the likelihood of error and essentially perform effortlessly and make their job safely. Our solution is an AI powered compliance monitoring tool for recorded voice calls. The solution powered by the state of art technology, including OpenAI's Whisper model of speech recognition, NLP engine, and multi layered neural network. The solution deep learning algorithm can flag compliance violation and can score clarity, focus, and completeness of the call. The teams in AI Hyderabad as well as in Mumbai are uniquely equipped to support network rail with our in-depth knowledge of client context and priorities, as well as leveraging our deep expertise in the field of AI. The two units work together with key themes bringing value for our client quickly and effectively. Proudest project moment, I'm happy to share that the solution received most innovative solution award at Confederation of Industry Innovation DX 2023 and competing more than 200 industry leading companies. The award is testament to our commitment to sustainable innovation. The most memorable experience would be when we successfully fine tune the model for network rail specific parameters like site of work, GZAC code, blocking limit, and gain the true trust from the clients.